Hello there, future programmer. Welcome to CodeVerse Academy. We are so happy you are here. Learning to code is a big adventure. It is like learning a new language. This language helps you talk to computers. Java is a fantastic choice for your first coding language. It is used by many people all over the world. You are starting an exciting journey with us. We will guide you every step of the way. Get ready to create amazing things with code. Java is a special programming language. Think of it as a master key. This key can open many doors. It was created a long time ago, in 1995. But it is still very popular today. Many big companies use Java. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix use Java for their applications. This means learning Java can open up many job opportunities for you. It is a language that powers many websites and apps you use every day. It is strong and reliable for big projects. Why should you learn Java? There are many good reasons. Java programs can run on almost any computer. This is called platform independence. You write the code once, then it can run on Windows, Mac, or Linux. This is very useful for developers. Java is also known for being secure. This means it has features to protect against bad programs. It helps keep your application safe. Learning Java gives you a strong foundation in programming. It teaches you important concepts. With Java, you can build many different kinds of things. Imagine creating your own mobile apps for Android phones. Java is the main language for Android app development. You can also build large web applications for businesses. Many banking systems use Java because it is secure and robust. You can even make video games using Java. The possibilities are almost endless. Learning Java is not just about coding, it is about problem solving. It helps you think in a new logical way. Before you can start writing Java code, you need to set up your computer. This is like preparing your workshop before you build something. You will need some special tools. Do not worry, it is not too difficult. We will walk you through the main steps carefully. The most important tool you need is called the Java Development Kit, or JDK for short. This kit has everything you need to write and run Java programs. It is the foundation for all your Java work. Let's talk about the JDK. The Java Development Kit is essential. It includes a compiler. A compiler turns your human-readable Java code into something the computer can understand. This is called bytecode. The JDK also includes the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. The JRE is what actually runs your compiled Java programs. So the JDK gives you the tools to create, and the JRE gives your computer the ability to execute what you create. It is a complete package for Java developers. To get the JDK, you need to visit the official Java website. Oracle is the company that manages Java. Go to Oracle's website. Look for the Java SE Development Kit downloads page. SE means Standard Edition, which is perfect for beginners. You will see different versions available. It is usually best to download the latest stable version. Make sure you choose the correct installer for your computer's operating system. For example, pick Windows if you use Windows, or Mac OS if you use a Mac. Once you have downloaded the JDK installer, it is time to install it. This process is usually straightforward. Double-click on the downloaded file. An installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions. It is similar to installing any other software on your computer. Accept the terms and conditions. Choose the default installation path unless you have a specific reason to change it. After the installation is complete, your computer is ready for Java. Now for the exciting part. Let's write your very first Java program. In the world of programming, there is a tradition. The first program you write in a new language is often a Hello World program. This program is very simple. Its only job is to make the computer display the message Hello World on the screen. It might seem small, but it is a very important first step. It shows that your Java setup is working correctly, and it gives you your first taste of coding success. To write your Java program, you need a place to type your code. You can use a simple text editor. For example, Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac will work. However, many programmers use something called an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. An IDE is a special software that makes coding easier. It has features like code highlighting and error checking. Some popular IDEs for Java are IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, and NetBeans. For now, a simple text editor is perfectly fine. Let's look at the code for our Hello World program. It is quite short. Open your text editor and carefully type the following lines. Pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Java is case sensitive, which means hello is different from hello. Java public class, hello world, public static void main string args, system, out, println, hello world. Save this file as. The name of the file must exactly match the class name, which is in this case. The extension tells the computer that this is a Java source file. This small program does one thing: it tells the computer to print the words, "Hello World," to your screen. To run it, you would first compile it using the Java compiler, javac, from the JDK. Then you would run the compiled code using the Java command. Don't worry too much about these commands right now if you are using an IDE, as the IDE often handles this for you with a run button. The important thing is you have written your first piece of Java code. Congratulations. Let's try to understand the Hello World code line by line. The first line declares a class name. In Java, all code lives inside classes. Think of a class as a blueprint or a container for your program. The word means that this class can be accessed from anywhere. The curly braces and mark the beginning and end of the class. Everything inside these braces belongs to the class. It's like drawing a boundary around your program's main part. The next important line is, this line looks a bit complicated, but it is very special. This is the method. When you run a Java program, the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, looks for this exact method to start the program. It is the entry point of your application, and are keywords with specific meanings. Means this method does not return any value. Allows your program to receive arguments from the command line, but we will not use that for now. Inside the method, we have the line. This is the line that actually does the work of printing the message. Is an object that represents the standard output stream, which is usually your computer screen. The part is a method that means print line. It prints the text you put inside the parentheses, and then moves the cursor to a new line. The text, "Hello World," is enclosed in double quotes because it is a string or a sequence of characters. Every Java statement ends with a semicolon. Now that you have written and understood your first Java program, what is next? The most important thing is to practice. Try changing the message in your Hello World program. Make it say hello, your name, or something fun. Experiment with to print different messages. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with Java. Coding is a skill that improves with use. Keep exploring, keep learning, and do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. We at CodeVerse Academy are excited for your journey. What topics would you like us to cover next?